We are here. We are live. We have a $500 mystery box from Hype.Meets.Heat. Got this box right here. I have no idea what's going to be in it.
I'm excited to see what's in it. It's been sitting in our living room for a couple days now, and I've been dying to open it.
Exciting.
It's been weird. I've really wanted to see what's in it.
So we are going to get into this box here. We're going to be playing a drinking game as per usual. I am going to be drinking Mew Cow Vanilla. This right here is my favorite liquor of all time. This is vanilla cognac. I have only found this in like maybe a dozen liquor stores across the entire United States. So if you see that shit, let me know and send me a bottle, and your boy will love you forever. Lola's drinking some horchata vodka by Cutwater Spirits. Ballast Point is the brewing company that Cutwater used to be a part of. They are now separate, and they operate on an individual basis. So the game that we're gonna play is for every single time that Lola is unable to guess a Jordan, she has to drink. I'm going to up the ante for her today, and she doesn't know it. Yeah.
He throws these at me when we're live, so I can't like give him shit for it.
Sneakers that she should know, I'm gonna make her guess, and if she can't guess it, then it's on her to take a shot.
Well, we're fucked.
Cheers, here we go. The game that we play on her end is after sneaker has come out of the box, she has to take a guess as to what the cost of the sneaker would be in dead stock condition on stock X. So she has to guess in between the sell now and the buy now price. I'm gonna take a shot. Let's get into the box now. Here it is via Hype.Meets.Heat. Thank you, sir, for this. Awesome, we got some great people in here right now. I'm really, really pumped that you guys are joining with the live stream. This video will be up in an edited form later on as well. First pair of sneakers out of this box here.
Let's see.
What do we got? What do we got? We're gonna start easy on your end. You should probably know what these are right off the bat.
11s.
These are 11s. Wow, look at you guys. These are, do you know which 11s they are?
Tuxedos? No,
No.
that's white
No.
on top too.
These are in a very famous movie. It's a Michael Jordan movie. There's only a couple movies that Michael Jordan's ever been in.
Guys, this is really pitiful.
Oh, come on.
Looney Tunes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, we're on the right track.
Space Jam?
Hey, these
Are
are
they
the
Space
Jordan
Jams?
11 Space Jams.
Oh, wow.
These are the most recent release.
Everybody get up, it's time to jam now, right?
You got it. That's correct. A little bit of yellowing on the outsole there. That definitely gives me some stuff to work with since I've been doing some de-yellowing recently. Here we go. This is a pair of Space Jams, most recent release. This is in a size 11, no box. You're guessing dead stock price based off of stock X.
No one's telling me, I'm just checking just in case they are.
Well,
$225.
$225, Lola is saying. We are looking at a size 11. The buy now price is $350. The sell now price is $331.
I would never have guessed that.
So this is a really good start to a $500 box. We are going to go with this box next here. This right here, you should know. I'm not going to be too specific with it, but what is this?
An Ultra Boost.
An Ultra Boost! Hey, good job. Super comfy. These right here are a cream sort of colorway. I don't know. It doesn't really say too much on the box.
Trying to make sure we hit all the cameras.
Definitely Mitch would be a big fan of these. Mitch, if you're ever watching, I'll sell these to you on the low, bro. For the cheap. Nice pair, good condition overall. You got a little bit of wear on the bottom. Size 10, original box. What do you think? What's the price on these?
$180.
Light tan cream Ultra Boost 1.0 in a size 10. Sell now price $250. Buy now price $350.
No way.
The second pair in. We're doing pretty good so far. Let's go for the one that I don't think you're gonna know.
I don't think I'm gonna know it.
I got a Jordan. What kind of Jordans are these? They're little Jordans.
They're teeny.
They're little teensy Jordans. Size 3.5 youth. Very, very small.
Do I have a pair of these?
You do have a pair of these, which is why I'm surprised that you don't know what's there. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. These are 10s.
Okay, so the size is throwing me off.
Oh, you know what? Jordan 10 Chicago.
All right.
You got it exactly
Shoe
right.
game crazy. You helped a lot last time. I'm looking at you. All right?
First name, Shoe. Last name, Crazy.
They're They're little ones, so those are gonna be worth less.
They're little ones. They're very little.
For little kids, it's so.
There's actually a range. There's a range. This
range?
This is the only pair in used sizes that has pricing on StockX right now. So you have to get. Otherwise, you would have been able to guess anything.
Really?
Yeah.
110.
Fuck. Sell now
and
price.
No one even helped me.
61. Buy now price 165.
Guys, that was all me.
Lola.
Oh yeah.
Kicking ass, taking names. Now I have to drink. Few more pairs left in this box. So far, we've gone through 3 pairs. Again, it's a $500 mystery box from Hype.Meets.Heat on Instagram. We have a Nike Air Trainer 1.2 low and a size 13. The box looks really fucking cool. I don't know much about these at all. I don't know if there's something special about these. I want to say they're like a Chinese New Year. Maybe not though, because it says MP.
I like the color like mix down here.
You're not.
I'm trying to hit both cameras.
Oh, okay. She's trying to give the people what they want. Apologies. That's my fault for.
I learned from the best, alright? Now I'm forgetting about this one up there.
Right? The camera at the top gets no love, and that's like the one that the replay video is going to be on, so we really should be looking at that, but at least it's a little bit closer to these ones this time, so
yeah.
We'll get a lot of replacement laces here. It's like confetti in this box. These are Nike Trainer 1.2 low Manny Pacquiao's.
Anyways, I'm guessing these are 210. Did I already guess 210 for another shoe?
You might have.
I'm gonna guess
210?
I don't know if that's a good look or not.
it's a very good look. Sell now 165. As long as she had guessed above 165, she would have been correct.
That means he drinks again.
That means I drink.
Again.
Yeah. it's ESP.
I'm a very random person with things that pop into my head.
Next sneaker here is a Jordan in a size 9, and I'm not gonna say what kind it is, but I already know that you're gonna get it. So.
Oh, good. Oh, this is easy.
I know, it's super easy.
They're low.
Low? Okay, what colorway?
Red.
Wow, look at her go!
11s.
Size 9. I now basically have a full size run of these joints right here. Good condition. Pretty solid. I hope that you've been paying attention because...
Look at how good these bottoms look.
I hope that you've been paying attention though, because we got one of these in the last box and you guessed appropriately. And that video just went live.
I don't rewatch the videos. Guys, low bread.
Help her out. Help her out.
Mean girl it up, girl. I appreciate you. I
Nice.
haven't gotten so much love in the help field.
I know, Lola's just not getting quite as much help
but I
today.
still had you have 2 shots today. I did see your sticker up there is 165, but those are for old shoes. But we're gonna go with 330.
These might be dead stock, actually.
They might be. They look really
They're
lightly worn, if anything.
Crazy. What do you think?
I just guessed.
I missed it. I was
That means I win.
That doesn't mean you win. That's some fucking bullshit.
Yes, I think I said 330.
330, she says, narrowly getting in the window. I actually give her credit on this because I thought they'd be a little bit lower. Sell now price is 310. Buy now price is 397.
Oh, yes!
Wow, so she...
Guys, I'm becoming such a shoe expert just by being on these lives. Well, that's hard. It's very, very doubtful. Here's...
This is for the homies right here. This is for everybody that's still watching. Thanks for sticking along. This is a drink for all of you. Appreciate it. We're on to our last pair here. Pair of Nike SB. Nike SB in a size 12, my size, because it's a QS quick strike. I would really love it if this was one of the recent releases that I'm into. Oh, and they're actually the exact pair that I was kind of hoping they would be.
And could they possibly be your size?
They're
man.
precisely my size. These are a pair of the recent releases, the Ray Guns, the black tie-dye, which is paying homage to the old Ray Guns that were solid releases.
I'm not gonna have any idea what these are weird.
These are fucking nice,
These
actually.
are really nice.
The material on these is like actually super, super dope. But
Is this another dead stock?
oh yeah, yeah.
Whoa,
this
your boy hooked it up.
One of the few SB releases that I've seen recently that I've actually been pretty hype on.
So truthfully, I don't know a whole lot about these, like at all. So anything I guess is a total shot in the wind. My problem is when I like a shoe, I overestimate the cost because I like it that much.
All the time. She loves being like, oh, this shoe must be $700 because I really enjoy it.
I haven't gone that crazy. But when I don't like a shoe, I'm like, I'd only pay this much for it. I like this shoe a lot. I'm gonna guess $285.
$285, she says.
I'm probably so
she's off.
Damn.
Sell now price $215, buy now price $220. Which means I don't have to drink.
But we should anyway.
But we're going to anyway because that's kind of how we roll. That's just what we do here. That was the last pair in this box. Man, thank you guys so much for stopping by this, by the way. These are always a ton of fun for us.
A ton of fun. I gotta say, I'm super excited for you about this box. I had a feeling all this week, all I wanted to do was open this box. I had a feeling it was gonna be a good box, but man, is this a great box. Like, you had some nice shoes in there. How much was this, you said?
$500.
For $500.
Yeah. Hype.Meets.Heat, definitely worthwhile checking out. Crazy good value on the box. Really appreciate it, homie. So shouts to you. Thank you much. I wish that I could put some like background like applause noises and stuff because that was fucking dope. Really dope. I'm blocking her purposefully. Okay. Here we go.
All right, I'm gonna count it out. 1, 2. Oh, that was one of your quicker ones.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby.
Too shabby.